Hello, friends. So this is the problem that we have, which came in 2024, question 20, under bearings. So it's saying in the diagram A, B, and C are 3 points on level ground. The bearing of B from A is 137, okay, 137 degrees. The bearing of C from B is 250 degrees, and angle ACB is 35 degrees. Okay, so they're saying find the bearing of A from B, of A from B. So meaning that our compass is going to be there. So the angle that you are interested in, it is from the North Pole, not until you reach the line that is joining A and B. From the North Pole, not until you reach the line that is joining A and B. So the problem is for us to calculate the size of this angle. That's the bearing. Then we're done. But the easiest way, you see, if we know this part, this part, the small part which is there, if we know it, then we can just say that from 360 minus this, then you have this angle that we're interested in. Because if you look at it nicely, you notice that this plus this makes up a complete 10. Remember, complete 10 adds up to 360 degrees. So what I'm going to do here now, how do we calculate this? You see, this line, say North Pole, say nothing, and they're parallel to each other, being joined by this. So if you say this plus this, they should give you 180. So using that concept, we're going to calculate this and say 180 degrees minus 137 degrees, right? So what are we going to get? This is 0, 7, so it becomes 10, 10 minus 7, that's a 3. So this is now 7, 7 minus 3, that is a 4. Okay, 1 minus 4, that's just 0. So we'll put 43, meaning that here it is 43 degrees. Okay, now we get this. We're going to say 360 degrees minus 43 degrees. So what will be now the answer? So you see 0 minus 3 is second, so 10. 10 minus 3, that gives you 7. Okay, this is 5. 5 minus 4, that gives you 1. 3 minus nothing gives you just 3. So 317 degrees. So that is the answer. Okay, that's the answer, which is 317 degrees, which we can just basically write it in here, 4317. Now, the other part is you're calculating A from C. A from C. So how do you calculate from A from C? So meaning that your compass is going to be here. Okay? It will be on C, like that. So the angle that you're interested in, it is this one. So how do you get this angle? This is very simple. The only way we can do this is that if we know this, then we're going to say from 180 degrees minus this one, then we're done. But again, the problem is how do we get this angle here? Okay, we can get this angle if at all, maybe we know this one. If we know this, we're going to say 360 minus this, 137, then minus this, then we're going to have this. So let's take up that process and see what we're going to get. And then the question is, how do you calculate the size of this angle? Okay, we can calculate the size of this angle if at all we know this one as well as this, which is already given 35. So we're going to say 180 minus 35 minus this one, then we're going to have this. You see that process? So what are we going to do for us to get this? We can get the size of this angle by just saying that, you see, from here up to there, we have said the 317, but from here up to here, they have said 250. So we can say 317 minus 250, then we'll have this, the remaining one. Okay, let's take up that process. So let's say 317 degrees minus 250. Okay, so this is 7, that's 1, 11 minus 5. That gives us what? 6. So we've got 67, meaning that is the one which is inside, 67 degrees. Now let's calculate this. How do you calculate this? We're going to say 180 degrees minus 35 plus 67. Okay, so now uh, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, that gives us what? 5 plus 7, that gives us, this is just 1, 12. It gives us 12. So 1, 3 plus plus 6, and then plus 1, so meaning that we're going to have a 10. 3 plus 6, that's a 9. 9 plus the remaining 1, that gives us 10. So we have our 10. Like that. So now we subtract. This gives us 10 there, that's 2, then 8, 7, which is 7 here, so 78. Meaning that here we're having 78 degrees. Now that we know this one, we have this, we can now say 360 minus 137 minus 78. Then we're going to get this. Okay? So let's take our process and see what we're going to get. So 360 degrees minus 78 minus 137. Okay? So what are we going to get? We have, okay, let's just do it slowly so that we don't make a mistake. 360 minus 137. So this is 10, this is 5. 10 minus 7, that's a 3. 5 minus 3, that is a 2. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 223. Now again we remove 78. So 223 minus 78. Okay, this is 13. So here we remain with a 1. So 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, that gives us 5. Okay, 5. Then 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7, what are we going to get? 21 minus 7. Okay, 21 minus 7, that gives us 14. Yeah, it gives us 14. So 14, 140 degrees. All right. So now in this here, it is 145 degrees. Now we need to get this. That's why we're now going to say 180 minus 145. So 180 degrees minus 145. So this is 10. This is 7. 10 minus 5, that is 5. And 7 minus 4, that's a 3. 35 degrees. Wow. So the size of this angle on this is just the same for 40 and 35 degrees. So that's a bearing, meaning that the bearing from A from C, it is just 0.35 degrees. That is what we do.